Mabuhay! It's AllyCat Castle! As you all know, I'm a professional makeup artist for a major news network. I also love to sing and enjoy acting. I'm a mother to my cat Skittles and I'm Filipino-American. I started this channel because I would like to spread love, laughter, and a little bit of makeup and share with you everything that I know about it. And today's episode came from your requests asking me about how do I do an eye makeup on television, especially when there's breaking news and I only have 5 minutes. So let me show you how I did this eye makeup without using any makeup brushes. And let's do that right now. And today's featured products are the Lauder Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color, the Black Radiance Eye Appeal, and the PIXI by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen. We begin with the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. And the good thing about the eyeshadow primer is that it just makes everything stay in place. Just like on television, it's a must that I always use a primer. And definitely helps with longevity. Longevity, longevity, longevity. That's a lot of longevity. And now we do the Lauder Mercier Caviar Stick in Amethyst. First, swirl your finger right on the product. Then press the product on the eyelids where you feel where your eyeballs are at. This is the time that you really want to put a generous amount because you want your eyelid color to be darker compared to the crease. And now I proceed to the crease color. This is the time that you do light tapping motion because this has to be a diffused effect. So if the lids is darker, the crease is lighter. By doing this, you're giving your eyes a light smoky effect. It just gives you the right amount of drama. And just make sure that you continue that drama right in the bottom lash line. Light drama, but big effect. And if you do this right, everything will turn out great. And now we proceed with the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Lid Glitz and A-Lister. I love this because the good thing about this one is that it just gives you the right amount of sparkle. It's like adding that jewelry on top of your favorite outfit. And once you apply this, you just apply it where you feel where your eyeballs are at, just so that it's actually in its perfect place. I love it so much that I went back to Target and bought 3 more. And guess what? This one is only $6.89. And now we do the eyeliner with the PIXI by Petra Eye Pen in Copper Glow. I love this because the good thing about this one is that it glides on like a dream. If I found my favorite eyeliner through the NARS High Pigment eyeliner, that's $24. This is the drugstore equivalent that I really love because it's only $12. And it comes in several colors. And whenever I buy something, I always ask these 3 things: affordability, the quality, and longevity. And definitely, this product meets the whole 3. Check, check, check! It's definitely my favorite eyeliner in the drugstore category. It's also hypoallergenic and paraben-free. That's why it's perfect for sensitive skin and can last all day, which is perfect for television. And now we use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. This is amazing. I've been using this for more than 10 years. It's an amazing skincare underneath makeup. And if you want your makeup to look good, your skincare underneath should be great. Because if you have great skincare, then you're gonna have great makeup. And now we polish it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Radiant Concealer. Just apply a little bit of it on the sponge. Lay down the sponge where you created the angle and lightly smudge your way up. And if you use this concealer, you almost don't need to retouch it. That's how powerful it is. It's double the wear, double the power. Now, when it comes to mascara, I like using a mascara on the bottom lash line with the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. This is great because the brush does it for someone who has tiny lashes. And for someone who has tiny lashes, it just gives you the perfect amount without it looking clumpy. And for television, usually we want the bottom lash line to be more natural and the top lash line to be more dramatic. Now, if you're wondering what I'm doing on my upper lash line, I'm using the Duo 2-in-1 Brush On Striplash Adhesive in the dark tone. This is great because for an eyelash glue, it already has a black pigment. So once you do this, you just don't prepare yourself for the lashes. It also looks like you're creating a thin line, which make your eyelashes look more defined. It's like magnet for your lashes. And to complete our eye makeup for television, of course, we have to wear lashes. It's like the perfect icing on top of a cake. Just make sure that you take your time once you do this. After all, a little drama goes a long way for television. And that goes for our easy eye makeup for television. Please let me know what you think as well of our eye makeup look. If you have further questions, please write down in the comment section below. I answer to every question that I receive. And I appreciate all the support you've given me. Thank you! I love you! And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, as well as please don't forget to write down on the comment section below. I would so appreciate your feedback. And in case you haven't yet, I would so appreciate it if you could press on the subscribe and the bell notification button. That would really help my channel so much, just so we can be together all the time. And to all my loyal subscribers, thank you and I love you. To the new ones, thank you and I love you so much as well. And if you think someone will enjoy this video, please share it. I would so appreciate it from your generous heart. And I also would like to share, we're more than 240 subscribers now. Yay! And that's closer to our 1,000 subscribers goal. And as I always say, again, this is AllyCat Castle saying, let's all spread love, laughter, and a little bit of makeup. I love you. Mahal kita. I'll see you all next week. Bye. Bye.